In the unfortunate event of a severe crash, milliseconds matter, and the airbag is a life-saving device designed to deploy faster than the blink of an eye to protect you. Also known as the supplemental restraint system, airbags work hand-in-hand with your seatbelts to provide a cushioning barrier between you and the hard surfaces of the car's interior. The system relies on impact sensors located around the vehicle that measure the severity of a collision. If the crash is strong enough to trigger the system, an electronic signal is sent to an inflator unit, which ignites a solid chemical propellant. This creates a rapid blast of nitrogen gas that inflates the nylon bag in roughly 30 milliseconds. As your body moves forward into the bag, the gas escapes through tiny vents, allowing the bag to deflate in a controlled manner that absorbs the energy of your movement. While we usually think of the steering wheel airbag, modern cars are wrapped in them. There are side airbags in the seats to protect your ribs, curtain airbags that drop down from the roof to protect your head from the window glass, and even knee airbags to prevent leg injuries. It is crucial to remember that airbags are explosive devices, which is why you should never sit too close to the steering wheel or place your feet on the dashboard. If an airbag deploys while your legs are up, the force can cause catastrophic injuries. Also, because of the force of deployment, children under a certain age and weight should always ride in the back seat to avoid injury from the front airbag. When used correctly with a seatbelt, this technology is one of the single greatest advancements in automotive safety history.